Welcome you all to session 42, chapter Dividend Policies, Financial Management, 6th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, let us understand the concept of bonus shares and the benefits of bonus shares. The main objective of a firm is to maximize the wealth of its owners, that is the shareholders. So the financial manager has to take various decisions in order to maximize the wealth of the shareholders. So dividend decision is one of the important area of decision making of the financial manager, wherein the financial manager has to decide the amount of dividend to be paid or the amount to be retained in the organization. Sometimes the financial manager may decide to give bonus shares, that is the distribution of shares free of cost to the existing shareholders. So bonus shares, it indicate dividends paid in the form of shares free of cost. So bonus shares means extra dividend which is paid to the shareholders. So extra dividend, it may be paid in the form of cash or it may be paid in the form of shares. When we are paying the dividend in the form of shares, it is known as the bonus shares, or it's also known as the stock dividend. So usually a business firm gives the final dividend. Sometimes when there are extra profits or the firm feels that they need to give dividends, they give the interim dividend. So it is actually a dividend which is declared before the declaration of the final dividend. So sometimes what happens is when the firm feels like providing dividend to the shareholders, or maybe they are having some problems with the cash or liquidity, they will issue shares free of cost to the existing shareholders. So these are the shares which are given to the existing shareholders as dividend. So stock dividend does not involve any outflow of cash. What happens is the equity share capital widens with every issue of the bonus shares. There are different benefits to the company when bonus issue is made or when bonus shares are issued to the shareholders. The first and foremost, the cash conservation, which means that there is no cash outflow when bonus shares are issued. That is, the bonus shares are declared by the company without using the cash resources. So here the company has dual benefits, that is, it can satisfy the desire of the shareholders for dividend. At the same time, they can retain the earnings also. This is actually one way of rewarding the shareholders without losing any cash. The next benefit is the higher liquidity. Now when bonus shares are issued, the number of shares increases in the hands of the investors. So it enhances liquidity among investors. They will be able to sell or buy the shares. The another aspect is the good image. Usually when companies declare bonus shares, the company commands a good image in the stock market, which makes them feel that the company is earning well or company is doing very well. Higher market capitalization. Here the number of shares floating in the market increases. So what happens is the shareholders will be able to buy and sell the shares as and when they feel like. Reduction in the rate of dividend. Usually for the firm, the bonus declaring company, that is, they have a justification to reduce the dividend in the coming years, saying that we have already issued bonus shares. There is no tax, there is no dividend tax, so there is no tax is payable on the stock dividend, so the company will be benefiting from that. Now to the shareholders, benefits to the shareholders. Now in case of shareholders, they also have benefits by the issue of bonus shares. One is increased holding. Now each shareholders will get free shares. What does it mean? The number of shares held by each shareholder increases when the company declares the bonus dividend. So their shareholdings increases. And because when their shareholding increases, they have this option of partial liquidation of holding. The shareholders can sell a part of the shareholdings while retaining the others. If they have got some free shares, they can sell only the remaining shares which they have. taxability. There is no tax on these bonus shares or the dividends issued in the form of free shares. Higher liquidity, which I have already discussed, that is the large number of floating stock in the market. As a result of bonus shares, the liquidity of the share also increases, that is they will be able to buy or sell the shares. Higher future dividends. So when shareholders get free shares, in future they will get extra dividend because their holdings has increased due to the issue of the bonus shares. Thank you.